Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a cross stitch. Now this bag comes from the SevenGreat store, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So as you can see, this is a Joy Sunday kit. Let's get it out of its Joy Sunday bag. Do love these bags. It is 14 count, 68 by 48, and it was $18.06. Okay, and I'm not sure if this is a full coverage or not. We're going to find out here in a second. Well, let me get it. Nope, it is a partial. So this is called Streets of London. So we have double-decker buses, we have Big Ben, we have, I'm not sure what this is called, but we have that Ferris wheel thing, or whatever it is, and London Bridge, and a telephone booth, and it looks like a Rolls Royce here. So yeah, I just thought it was kind of cool. I like all the reds and the oranges in it, and then it has kind of a background in a gray or like a lighter tone for the background things, but it is a partial, so you don't have to do all the background. But yeah, I thought it was kind of cool looking and different, you know. Let's see what the paper pattern looks like. Let me see if I can find the colors. It only has one set of colors that I can, yep, one set of colors, and these symbols will match the paper pattern, so the canvas will have its own symbols, but they're always very well printed. And there is back stitching and full stitching. We have 52 colors in this. And no half cross stitches. Don't think. No, nothing. No. Okay, so just full stitch and back stitch. And then we'll have to take a look. I'm going to look at this here in a second. So the back stitching is on that Ferris wheel thing. And on the clock, the rest of the Ferris wheel here. So not too much back stitching at all. So they have just used lighter colors for that background. I was hoping that it wasn't going to be in half cross stitch, so it's not. It's full cross. So yeah, just thought it was kind of different. It is 331 by 222 high. It is, this paper pattern is sectioned out into 8 different sections, if that's the way you want to stitch. You know me, I just kind of start and go here, there, everywhere. So yeah, I think this will be interesting to stitch. I didn't see any other back stitching. There's none on the telephone booth or anything else. Now you could put as much back stitching into this as you'd like. So, and the word telephone here does have back stitching, but not very much. Cool. Let's take a look at all those gorgeous colors. Going to be lots of reds, I can tell. Oh, I didn't even tell you what the colors were. We're so with it today, I'm telling you. Is it Friday yet? Oh my goodness. So we have 321 red, which is the Christmas red that I like, and 349, I think it's more of an orangish red. 666 red. No, 823. We do have 815 and 816. They're kind of a brick red. And we have some brown, which is 3371, and they use B5200 for the white, and number 52, it says accrue. So I think that's like an off tan-ish color. We'll find out here in a second. I just wanted to go over that. Does come on the nice paper pattern. Nice thread card that it tells you how many strands you have, the DMC number, and the thread card number. So there is your accrue. You can see it next to B5200. It's kind of got a brown tone to it. So there is another kind of an orangish red there, and kind of a medium brown. There is your 3371. Kind of peaches and blues, and more on the orangish brownish tones, if you will, of course with the reds. And here's all your reds. There's 815, 816, and there's kind of an orangish red, if you will. There's 666, 6, whatever. Did I say enough sixes? Jeez, I kind of got lost halfway there. So very nice colors. I love the grays with the reds. It always makes them pop. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And of course some rose colors. So maybe those are in that background, you know, where they're paler. But very beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning. They do such a good job shading, I say, you know, all the time. Oh, and 2 needles. Can't forget the 2 needles. I'm going to wrap those up so we don't lose those in case I didn't bend that staple back. Let's take a look at this beautiful canvas. See if I can get it going in the right direction. It's kind of wide, but very well printed. I'm not seeing a lot of confetti yet, but you know, when you get into it, there may be some. But very nicely done. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. And your, I'm just going to fold that down for a second. Excuse me. The key runs along the bottom and the side going this way. But it's nice and big and easy to see. I like that. At a glance, you know exactly what you're looking for. So very nice. Does say the product number and the name that was on the front. It also tells you how many stitches. Here's your back stitch, and this is the rest of the full cross stitch, if you will. So no half cross stitch, no French knots in this. Just kind of straight stitching and nominal back stitching for as much as you want to put into it. But very nice. Let's see if we can measure this. It is serged all the way around, if I didn't say that. It is 69 centimeters, or almost, or a little over 27 inches by, if I can get a hold of it, 49 centimeters, or 19¼ inches. The actual picture is almost 16 inches, or 40 centimeters by 60 centimeters, or 23½ inches. So it's kind of big and wide, but yeah, I'm thrilled sick I don't have to do that background. You have no idea. Yeah. It'd be nice if there'd been a little clouds or something, or a little blue sky, you know. But it's fine. It's fine. I think this is going to be one that you look at from a distance, and those things that are in the background will just pop right out. Kind of like a foggy gray day in London, which they seem to be known for. But I can't get over how clear all this is. It's just beautiful. Beautiful canvas, never been wet, thank goodness. I think we've passed that phase for now. So we will just have to wait and see. Now, Thank you, 7Great, for this gorgeous kit, and we will be starting this in part 2 of my review for 7Great this afternoon, 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, USA. So do check in with me and see where I start. Now, 7Great does have a wide variety. They always have great prices. They have diamond painting, cross stitch. Oh, I'm sorry. They only have cross stitch, but they do have silk and beaded cross stitch, and then regular cross stitch and counted cross stitch. They have bookmarks, pillowcases, 11 count, 14 count, and I'm sure they have 16. I'm not sure about the 18 count, but I'm pretty sure they do. Everything kind of runs together, so you'll have to excuse me, but do check them out and their wide variety. Thank you, everyone, for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.